Hi everyone, I am Rajneesh Kumar Singh from PFM 1921 batch, and I'm here to talk about my beautiful experiences here in this wonderful institute. And to begin with, I'd like to recall that the day of 23rd of June when I arrived in the campus and get to meet a lot of friends who had came from different part of the country, around 21 states, from different streams like science, engineering, commerce, and etc. And I think the first thing that I realized after coming here is that every person, every single of my friend has certain ability, and none of them has come here just by chance. And so it gave me an opportunity to learn from each and every one. So the finance guy would teaching me finance, while the person who work in the IT industry would teach me how to make website and how to do web development sort of thing. So I think this was the holistic experiences that I had here at the institute with my friends. And I think talking about the second most important thing is the faculties. I think whenever I had the chance to interact with the faculties, they were very grateful, and they used to respect whatever diverse opinion and interaction that we have in the classes, and then accordingly have the very interaction, and they used to convince us from their thoughts, from their wisdom, and they were very humble in their approach, and anybody can reach out to any of the faculty at any moment of time, and they were always welcoming for us. So I think that's also very important, because this is institute where you're here to build your hard and soft skills, and those hard skills are you can always learn when you have the faculties to whom you can always reach out to for help. So talking about another component is the field trip. It's a unique speciality of IFM, and institute sends the group into 3 or 4 locations of the country, and there the groups go and they live on the ground, on the grassroots, and see that how community works, how community see the development from their eyes. And I was very lucky to go to Odisha, and in the 21 days that I spent there with my group and the field coordinator also, I got to see that how the forest dependent communities live, what is the problem of relocation that these communities are facing, and how ecotourism is helping the communities and how it can be promoted, and these kinds of nuances of community development. It motivated me further to pursue the path in the development sector, and it actually helped me when I joined my summer internship with RTI International, which is a US based research and consulting firm. And of course this is one firm which I could never have gone into internship if it was not for the IFM and the vast alumni network and the industry expo and industry connect that it has. So in RTI also I was involved in the numerous technical things like impact assessment of several foundations, that how their COVID-19 response has been, and also I wrote few knowledge paper on the self-help groups, and all those can be connected to the field trips, the learnings that I had in the IFM. So I feel that I was very lucky to be part of this institute. And even in this online time when the COVID came and all of were at home and feeling very limited with our resources, but I feel that the IFM community again came together, and few of our students who had some problem financially, the alumni association, the faculties, they came together and provided financial assistance to those students. And I think that was also a family sort of feeling that we had. Other than that, the library was regularly working, and it was providing us access to the numerous journal, magazines, and whatever was available to us in that particular domain, in that particular time and domain specific to us. And I would also like to mention that I had an absolute privilege of being the sports coordinator of the SAC, which is the Students Affairs and Alumni Council of the Institute. And it also exposed me to several leadership qualities, and my work involved reaching out to the faculties, reaching out to the administration for getting some work done, reaching out to students, handling conflicts, taking people on board. And all these opportunities were very special to me. And the most significant part of this was that the institute, IFM, comes under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and thus it gave us the opportunity to represent itself in the 25th All India Forest Sports Meet, which happened in Odisha. And this national games were very special because all the forest department of the country and the institutions like Indira Gandhi National Forest Academy, where the IFS get trained, were there along with us. And on that particular stage also I had the pleasure of hosting the IFM flag in front of the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik. So I would say that I had a very holistic experience in the IFM, and I feel very lucky to be part of it. And few days back, I got placed into Bihar Rural Livelihood Promotion Society, which is implementing National Rural Livelihood Mission in the state of Bihar. And so it has its approach, the decentralized approach, that it's the way it's working, which I found it very attractive. And my faculties, they supported me and they told me that yeah, this is the good opportunity, and I proceeded. So I would say that IFM has transformed me a lot, and I'd forever be thankful to it. Last but never the least, if I have to say what has been the greatest influence, then I would say that it has made me humble in my dealing with the people, and I think that's the best part that I'll take myself with. Thank you so much.